Welcome at the house of NYAKO-STAUSS. Today I want to check the... Oh, there's a dead bee. Today I want to check for... the big hive beetles, because yesterday I did install a net, like a plastic net, in front of the entrance. I will show you guys. Because I have the big hive beetle in my colony. Of course, not only me, I think most or all Nigerians have it in their colony. I saw it at my wife's uncle Blaze inside the hive. And I didn't think it will be an issue because I never saw them before. And actually they even look nice, at least one of them. I still don't remember the name. And today I want to kick out these beetles of the hive. So today I really want to try to kick them out, because then I will check maybe in 1 week again if they are out already, or if someone came back in. I need to try to kick all of them out today, because that would mean if in 1 week non-beetle is inside, then the net in front of the entrance is working well, to see if I can get rid of them. The point is, these beetles, what I read is they're eating larvae, they're eating honey and pollen. That's why I need to get rid of him, because this colony is very, very, very tiny. Very tiny. So let me check if I see something. If I would see the queen, then I could tell you, or maybe then I would know where eggs are, and maybe new maggots. I don't know why I call them all the time maggots. Larva is a nicer word for it, bee larvas, because maggot sounds more like chicken food. Why is it holding? Who is holding it? This guy is holding it, right? Ah, don't tell me I did screw it on it. Ah, don't tell me I did screw it on. Almost. Almost. Something is edging me. So there's one beetle here. Let me try to bring it down into the water. Ah, it's just flying away. These guys, they just fly away. There's the other guy. Oh, it's inside, but even some bees are inside. Damn it, I don't like this. Come, bee, come here. Come here, come here, come here. It's not the best way to handle it. So let's see if I can grab this guy, kill him. I want to kill this guy. I killed it. I saw the queen on the first day after I did put, also when the first day when I checked the hive after I got them. Let me check the other one. Let's hope and see. Because I believe that with these beetles, it will be so hard for this little colony to survive. I think it will be really, really, really hard. Oh, there's the other beetle. Let me take out this guy. Yep, I got him. Now I have one angry bee in my face, which is not much. Let's see, the point is, I don't really see fresh brood here. I see a little bit pollen inside, which is good. So the last time I was kicking out almost 15 or 20 of these beetles. And for today I only saw 3. And I counted right, if I counted right. Let me check again for madam. I really want to find her. I mean, these guys, when you read books about African bees, it says they're not comp steady. That means they would not stay on the comp when you take them out. But it's not true. They're quite calm. At least this my guys here. I mean, I still see some young bees that just hatch. Just, hey, what do I see there? Oh, that's good. I see the queen. That is wonderful. So let me check on this comp if I can see anything. I have to take pictures because me with my eyes, I don't know if I see well or not well anymore. There's the queen. So let's close it. That was enough disturbance. So I didn't see any other beetle, I think. So these beetles, they are too big to get through that net in front of the entrance. So there were only 3 today. So actually nobody, only me, will disturb the bees for now, looks like. But this way to catch the beetle with the water was not a bad idea. The bees just came out of the water quickly, but the beetles were too slow. So these are those nasty guys